Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paul. In this video I'm going to take you along with me to a beautiful beach called Northwinds Beach in Collingwood, Ontario. This is by the Blue Mountain Resort. I went camping up there and I had a chance to do a flight. So I think I'm going to be adding more flights from different beaches in Ontario. So this is going to be the first one. So enjoy. It's a short video, but it's a beautiful beach. So without further ado, here's Northwinds Beach. Welcome aboard our drone tour over the stunning Northwinds Beach in Craigleith, Ontario. As we lift off, you'll be greeted with the breathtaking expanse of the Georgian Bay. Look around and you'll see the magnificent Blue Mountains, a striking backdrop that adds to the unique charm of this beach. These mountains, part of the Niagara Escarpment, were formed over millions of years, their rugged beauty a testament to the power of natural forces. In the distance, you'll see the Blue Mountain Ski Resort with its meticulously carved runways. Even in the summer, the resort's presence is unmistakable, hinting at the winter sports that bring this area to life during the colder months. In winter, this entire area transforms into a snowy wonderland, attracting skiers and snowboarders from all over. As we glide over the water, take a moment to appreciate the clarity and vibrant blue hue of the Georgian Bay. These striking colors, reminiscent of tropical waters, are due to the bay's limestone bedrock, which reflects sunlight in such a way that the water appears almost Caribbean. Beneath us, you'll notice the swimmers enjoying the refreshing water, their figures creating a lively mosaic against the blue expanse. Now direct your attention to the shoreline. Northwinds Beach is renowned for its flat rock bottom, a geological marvel formed during the last ice age. As glaciers retreated, they carved out this unique landscape, leaving behind smooth flat stones that make for an interesting and comfortable wading area. The flat rock bottom is not only visually appealing, but also a delight for beachgoers who can walk far out into the bay on the natural stepping stones. To the right, you'll see the iconic sandbar, marked by a proudly waving flag. This sandbar is a popular spot for visitors to gather, a natural formation that adds to the beach's unique geography. The sand itself is a warm yellow, contrasts beautifully with the blue water, creating a picturesque scene that is perfect for a summer day. Beyond its natural beauty, Northwinds Beach has a rich history. This area of Ontario is steeped in the heritage of the Indigenous peoples who have lived here for thousands of years. Their deep connection to land and water is still evident today, adding a layer of cultural significance to our tour. As we continue our flight, let's take a moment to reflect on why Northwinds Beach is such a special destination. The combination of its geological history, the vibrant and inviting waters of Georgian Bay, and the stunning view of the Blue Mountains, including the Blue Mountain Ski Resort, makes this beach a truly unique place. Whether you're here for a swim, to paddleboard, or simply to take in the scenery, Northwinds Beach offers a little bit of everything. And in winter, this area's transformation into a snowy paradise offers a completely different, yet equally enchanting experience. Thank you for joining me in this aerial tour. I hope you enjoyed this unique perspective of one of Ontario's hidden gems. Sit back, relax, and take in the final moments of our flight as we circle back to our starting point. Have a wonderful day.